to online classes student. Today we are going to start a new chapter named multiplication. Okay, so come to points. There are some notes you can see on board. See, first, the product of two or more numbers is called multiplication, right? The product of two or more numbers is called multiplication. Don't worry, I will explain the product form of multiplication, right? So come on the second point. This is the symbol of multiplication. We all know that this is the sign of multiplication, right? Or we can say into. The second name of this multiplication sign is into, right? Come to third point. Multiplication is also called as repeated addition. What I just said, multiplication is also called as repeated addition. How? There is an example for you, right? Here we have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, like in a 5 order, digital order of 2, and we plus these two, right? We got 10. But in the same manner, when we do the multiplication, right, then we got 5 multiply 2. Here 1 2 3, right? 1 2 3 4 5 2 digits, right? Simple in a multiplication, what we have to do, take a 5 whole and take 1 2, right? And 5 into 2 equal to 10. See, so that's why it's called repeated addition. Now come to another point which is very important for us to know. Example, 32 into 3 equal to 96, right? We always do the sum like this, but we have to know about the multiplicand and multiplier and what is known as product. On the first sentence, what I have said, the product of two or more numbers is called multiplication. Now this is time to know about product. Okay, from which we multiply. Okay, from which we multiply with the sum is called multiplicand, right? And which we multiply, right? 3. We are multiplying 32 from 3. So this is known as multiplier. Okay, and the product of these two sums, like 32 into 3 equal to 96. This is known as product. The answer of these two sums known as product. So the first sentence we go through, the product of two or more numbers is called multiplication. And there is an example of multiplication. We can see we have divided the 2-digit number into ones and tens, right? 32 we have. Okay, now we have 3 here because we have to multiply 3 from 32, right? 32 into 3. Remember, you must learn table. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So the answer is 96. I'm going to repeat it again. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So here is the product of 32 into 3 equal to 96. 32 multiply 3 equal to 96 in the two forms. Okay, we are going to recall every note. Like there are 3 notes we have learned. The product of two or more number is called multiplication. Then second, this is a symbol of multiplication, the symbol of multiplication, right? Then third, multiplication is also called as repeated addition. So here is the example how we add and how we multiply the sum, right? And then come to the next point. We have given the example of multiplication, from which we have multiplicand, then into, then multiplier and equal to product, right? But now come to a 1 point other, right? 0. When we multiply 0 from any other number, right? Any other number, we got 0. For example, if we multiply 0 to 10, right? 0 multiply 10, we got 0. If we have, see, if we take 9 here, there will be 0. If we take 3 here, there will be a 0. So whenever we take 0 multiply any other number, so the answer will be, the product will be 0. So other example or other thing we going to discuss is 1, right? 1. When we multiply 1 with any number, then the answer is the same number, right? For example, we can see here, when we multiply 1 multiply 2, the answer is 2. We are multiplying by 2. Okay, so the answer is same. If we write here 4, right? 1 4s are 4. If we write here 9, the answer will be 9. If we will write here 10, the answer will be 10, or the product will be 10. So this is the introduction of our chapter, that how to do the multiplication, right? Okay students, let's start with an example, right? Multiplication without carry, right? In the sum, we are not going to take a carry from another number, just like subtraction and addition. We will do without. Firstly, we will do the 2-digit number and then 3-digit number without carrying. So this is the we can see example of 43 into 0. Firstly, we are going through with 0 multiplier, right? We are going to multiplier into 43, that is multiplicand is 43 and 0 is multiplier and the product is 0. So in earlier what I said, that whenever we multiply 0 with any number, we get 0. So when we multiply 0 3, 0 3s are 0, 0 4s are 0, so the answer is 0. Now come to the another point. As in my every video and every class, I always divide the digits into sections, right? Sections like ones and tens. If we're going through the 3-digit number, this will be the same. We have to divide these three: ones, tens, 100. So remember these things, and yes, learn table. Then easily you will get the answer of in multiplication, right? So go through the 2-digit number without carrying sum. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So this one is multiplier and this one is multiplicand, right? And 84 become product, right? How we done? Firstly, we in the first step multiplier multiply with ones, and then multiply with tens, right? So when we multiply with ones, the answer will be here, and when we multiply with tens, the answer will be here. Hope so you will get the answer. The product is 84. Now come to the other point. See, 3-digit multiplication by 1 digit. We are doing 1 digit, right? 1 digit, 1 digit. So here we divided these three sections: ones, tens, 100. Now go through with the multiplication, right? In first step we will do with ones. We will multiply ones. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Again I am going to repeat it. Firstly, multiplier multiply with ones. So 3 2s are 6. So we can see in the section of ones we get the answer. Then 2 4s are 8, right? Tens answer is 8. 2 2s are 4. Hundreds, like in the section 4. So the product is 486. So this is without carrying sum. We can see the 2-digit multiplication by 1 digit and 3-digit multiplication by 1 digit, and the products are, we can see here and here. Thank you, students.